How to use Apple gift card to buy iPhone. Apple Incorporated is an American multinational technology company headquartered in Cupertino, California. It is widely recognized for its innovative products, including consumer electronics, software, and services. So first you have to open your Apple Store application. Sign in your Apple account and you will redirect to this page. Scroll down and find your iPhone. After that, choose your iPhone that you want to buy. Choose the model of your iPhone. Select its color. Select the storage. If you want to use trade-in option, then click on first option, and if you don't, then just simply click on no trade-in. Choose a carrier. Then choose any of the Apple Care Plus coverage if you want. If you don't want any of that, then just simply click on no Apple Care Plus coverage. Then click on Add to Bag. Then click on this bag option. Click on Buy with Apple Pay. Click on Add Gift Card. Now you can add gift card clicking here. So that's it. Thanks for watching.